brand new leak has just surfaced, revealing key details about Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Air, a thin and premium device expected to launch later this year. While the tech world is eagerly awaiting the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, Apple seems to be preparing its own ultra-thin design-focused phone, and thanks to leaker or XDA, we now have an idea of what to expect. According to the leak spec sheet, the iPhone 17 Air will feature a 6.7-inch OLED display, sitting perfectly between the 6.3-inch iPhone 17 Pro and the 6.9-inch iPhone 17 Pro Max in size. With all iPhone 17 models rumored to be getting LTPO 120Hz displays, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to follow suit, ensuring ultra-smooth performance and stunning visuals. But what about the cameras? The leak suggests that the iPhone 17 Air will be equipped with a 48MP main camera and a 12MP selfie shooter, just like the Pro Max. However, there's a catch. Current renders of the iPhone 17 Air indicate that it might feature just a single rear camera, raising questions about whether Apple will be using the same high-end sensor found in the Pro models or a more basic one, similar to the rumored iPhone 16e. If Apple sticks with just one rear camera, could we be looking at a new, simplified design choice aimed at making the Air model more affordable? And speaking of affordability, storage details in the leak reveal that the iPhone 17 Air will come with 128GB of storage as standard, just like the iPhone 16 Pro, which suggests that it could be priced lower than the Pro models, perhaps somewhere under the $999 mark. This new addition to the iPhone lineup is certainly exciting, as it appears to be a middle ground option for users who want a premium design without the ultra-high Pro price tag. But the real question is, will the iPhone 17 Air bring something truly new to the table, or is Apple simply repackaging existing tech in a thinner frame? And how will it compare to the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, which is rumored to be an incredibly slim and powerful competitor? With more leaks sure to come in the next few months, we'll be keeping a close eye on all the latest developments. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to TechVerse and hit that notification bell. This is TechVerse, signing off.